Addiction is a complex psychological and neurological phenomenon that affects millions of people worldwide, influencing behavior, decision-making, and emotional well-being. Contrary to common belief, addiction is not solely a lack of willpower. It is deeply rooted in brain chemistry, emotional regulation, and learned behavior. Substances, activities, or habits that trigger pleasure, relief, or escape activate the brain's reward system, releasing neurotransmitters like dopamine that create feelings of euphoria or comfort. Over time, repeated exposure strengthens neural pathways associated with the addictive behavior, making it increasingly difficult to resist. The brain begins to prioritize these rewards over other essential functions, such as social interactions, work, or self-care, reinforcing the cycle of dependence. Addiction can also develop in response to psychological factors, including stress, trauma, anxiety, depression, or low self-esteem. Individuals often use substances or behaviors as coping mechanisms to alleviate emotional pain or fill unmet psychological needs, which strengthens the association between the addictive behavior and temporary relief. Environmental and social influences play a significant role in shaping addictive tendencies. Peer pressure, family dynamics, cultural norms, and early exposure to addictive substances or habits can significantly increase susceptibility. Learned behaviors and reinforcement patterns from childhood or adolescence contribute to the development of addiction by establishing coping strategies that prioritize immediate gratification. Cognitive distortions, such as minimizing consequences, rationalizing behavior, or believing in the ability to control usage, further perpetuate the cycle. Neurologically, addiction alters the prefrontal cortex, which governs decision-making, impulse control, and judgment, reducing the ability to resist cravings and foresee long-term consequences. Recovery from addiction involves both psychological and behavioral interventions. Cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness practices, support groups, and habit replacement techniques aim to retrain the brain, address underlying emotional issues, and build coping mechanisms. Awareness of triggers, cultivating healthier reward systems, and fostering resilience are critical for breaking the cycle and sustaining long-term recovery. Understanding the psychology behind addiction empowers individuals to recognize warning signs, address root causes, and make conscious choices toward healthier behavior. By combining self-awareness, professional guidance, and support systems, anyone struggling with addictive tendencies can take meaningful steps toward reclaiming control over their mind and life. If you want to explore more insights into human behavior, mental patterns, and psychological strategies, make sure to subscribe to Dark Psychology for deeper knowledge.